Hi, I'm Emanuel Azcona, and I'm a NACME Scholar at the NYU Polytechnic School of Engineering. I'm currently enrolled as a junior, and I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. My dream is to one day become a chief engineer of a radio station here in New York City.
Emmanuel, talk to us about how you became interested in engineering and what motivated you to be an engineer.
I would have to say that at an early age I was always interested in building things. So ever since I was young, I always had this knack for just begging my mom for Lego sets and just building things from scratch. And that's what kind of drove me to apply to the high school for construction trades, engineering, and architecture in Ozone Park.
Awesome. How do you think your high school helped prepare you for the transition into an engineering program at the college level?
Well, like I said before, when I entered the school in the first place, I wanted to be an architect. So within the school itself, I joined the Architecture Academy, where I took classes in architecture, and just that first-hand experience got me to realize that that wasn't what I wanted to do. Actually, what I wanted to do was something more in the engineering field, and stepping into a digital electronics lab in the school to kind of introduce me to engineering. That's what kind of that's what kind of drove me to pursue this as a career, because this is something that I enjoy to do.
So being here at NYU Polytechnic School of Engineering, what role has the school played in helping with that transition from high school to college for you?
Well, coming from the high school that I went to, I already got introduced to a lot of the different engineering aspects. A lot of courses that I'm taking now at the school, I've already been introduced to while I was at the high school. For example, digital electronics. A lot of students in the school are struggling with it when it was something that I took in high school, and just transitioning from the high school for construction to here has really, I guess, has sort of given me a head start.
And then, what did the NACME Scholarship mean to you?
Oh, well, it was great. The first reading of the letter that I got that summer after high school graduation, I was coming home and I opened up a letter from NACME and thinking, maybe I didn't get the scholarship. And then when I got the letter and I opened it, it says that you've been awarded the scholarship, you've been one of the few selected NACME scholars, and that was one of the, I guess, big factors in terms of supporting my education here, because without the NACME scholarship I wouldn't have had the money to buy my books, to buy supplies for the lab here in the school.
And then who do you look to for support? Who are your champions as an engineer?
One of my biggest role models would have to be one of the professors here at the school, Luciano Medina. He was a part of the same academic assistance program that I'm a part of, which is the Higher Education Opportunity Program. And I'm aware that a couple of NACME scholars are also a part of that program too.
And then lastly, if there's anything you could say to NACME or the board of directors, what would you let them know?
Without your help and support, I wouldn't have made it this far. I wouldn't have been able to afford my supplies, my tools, my books. Even though it's the small things, those are the things that kind of add up and build that foundation to let me do my research, to let me study, to let me learn more here and maintain a good academic standing here at the university.